Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I have a new box to the channel. I think I got this years ago. This is the Slayglam box. And I saw this on somebody's channel and there was like a 10% discount. So I got this for $22. It's normally, I think, like $24. But I bought it because I liked what was in that month. Well, I ordered it and I didn't order it in time, so I didn't get the May's box, I got the June's box. So I was a little disappointed. It wasn't their fault, it was my fault because I didn't read what would happen if I didn't order it by a certain time, which is what most boxes do. You have to order it by a certain date or you don't get it. So the packaging, of course, looks like a purse. And let's see what's inside. I don't know if there's a card. I can't remember. I think there's like 5 full-size products in there. And again, it's $22. So it'll just take like 2 or 3 good products to make it worth the $22. And the first thing is luminol blush powder. And of course, I gotta put on the glasses. And this looks a little bit different. So let's get into it. It looks like the brush is actually on top of the powder. I don't know if I can open it without, oh, and this is by Kaylin. And I have received her products before. So I don't know, let's see if because I'm sure this must do something besides being, oh, so there is the brush in here. I'll have to figure out how to get it out. Does it push up? Do I break it? Okay. So I don't know if you can see that, but there is a brush in there. I can feel it, so I just have to figure out how it comes apart. So there's the brush, and then here's the bottom. And you know, this is gonna be all over. So it does have the seal on the top. It looks more like a bronzer to me. It's a very pretty color. And it probably doesn't go on as dark as it looks like in here. I just have to figure out, and I'm gonna try it. I just have to figure out how to get the brush out of here. Because this looks like it comes, so this is very unique. I kind of like it, especially if the color works, and the directions are on here. So I just have to figure out how it works. So I'm not mad at it, I'm just mad that I don't know how it works. Then we got a palette, and the wrapping, they wrap it very nice. And this is by Okalan, and it's called Macaron. And it has a mirror, so I gotta block the mirror, and these are very pretty colors. There's some greens. So that is a very nice palette. So far, it's worth it, especially if that blush works out. And then we got some of these eyeliners, Ultra Fine Eyeliner, and that's the color. I'm not gonna open these. And then this one is an eyeliner, and it's in turquoise. And this color was Oh, this one says forest green. That's a green and a turquoise. So it'll definitely go great with that palette I just opened. And we have more goodies in here. And then we have a Lippy by Kaylin. And that's definitely a very pretty color. They wrap these packages so great. You just hate to open it if you're not going to use the product right away. But that is a nice product. And I will definitely use it. And then, oh, we got another palette. Oh, and we have another eyeliner. So this is the color. It's some kind of blue, royal blue. Let's see if I can get this out. And then we got, make sure there's nothing else in the box. I'm known for leaving items in the box. Then we got a palette by Mora. And look at the nice packaging that came in. Ooh, and it's got a boarding pass in there. Are we going somewhere? Paradise Island, from Los Angeles to Paradise Island. It's a first class boarding pass. And this is what the outside looks like. And let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, wow. I'm gonna have to cover the mirror. And this is the palette. Now that definitely screams like a cruise type of palette or the Caribbean. So we have some blues and some greens. I'm not gonna swatch it. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this. I mean, there are definitely colors that I would use, but I have, my Jeffree Star palettes that I have, like the Money palette and the Blue Blood palette that has colors very similar to these. So I don't know if I would put this in a giveaway, or what I would do with this palette, but it is a very bold palette and it's very beautiful. So let's recap what we got in this box. So we did get this beautiful palette and it came in this nice little travel case. Now again, this wasn't, I wanted the May box and this was the June box, but I am not mad. Again, I paid $22, I think it retails for $24.99 maybe. Then we got this other Caribbean style palette. Now I won't be able to open it because I snapped it shut. And those are beautiful colors as well. So we got 2 palettes, which is really nice. We got 3 eyeliners that'll go perfect with both those palettes. We got the royal blue, the forest green, and the turquoise. So those are great. And you can actually put all this in this little travel bag. And we got this blush, and I'm gonna try it because it looks more like a bronzing powder. And as soon as I figure out, I will let you know, and I'll post it in my video that I'm using this. But I'm loving the container, and it's all like easy to pack. And this lipstick, and what a pretty color. So what did you think of this? As I said, I think I tried Slayglam years ago, and I think they maybe have stopped for a while and did kind of a repackaging, regrouping kind of thing, and then they came out with it again. So I'm very impressed with this box. I emailed them or Instagrammed them to see if I could get May's box still, because I did like the palettes in there. So Maybe I'll be doing another unboxing, I don't know. But let me know what your favorite item was in this box. Let me know if you would get this box. And if I can get a discount code, I will leave that link below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps me out. And I do have Instagram, and you guys have an awesome day.